Okay. Now, next question is under the category of functions. So what is f of x? 5x square minus 10x plus 7. G of x is 7x minus 6. So what is f of g of 2? So first of all, we will evaluate what is g of 2. So in place of x in g of x, we have to replace it as 2. So 7 times 2 minus 6, that is 8. Then that value we have to substitute. F of g of 2 means it is indirectly asking what is f of 8. That is 5 times 8 square minus 10 times 8 plus 7. So that is 64 multiplied by 5 minus 80 plus 7. So that is going to be, the final answer is 247. So substitute this value directly in your calculator, you will get the answer. So and 247 is our answer. Is it 247 or 277? Once again, check it. 64 multiplied by 5 minus 80 is 247. Yes, that is correct. 247. Then x plus the inverse of f inverse. So what is our f of x? It is 5x square minus 10x plus 7. So especially for a quadratic expression, it is advisable to write this in what? Completing square form. How we can write it as in completing square form? So just completing square for this. How we will complete the square for this? We can take 5 common, right? So if I'm taking common, it becomes what? X square minus 2x plus 7. So for completing square, the coefficient of x square has to be 1. So 5 times this. How we will complete the square for this? X minus half of 2 is 1, right? So x minus 1 whole square minus the square of 1 is minus 1. Then plus 7. Okay. Now expand it. 5 times x minus 1 whole square minus 5 plus 7. So we got it as 5 times x minus 1 whole square plus 2. It has f of x. This f of x, we will call it as y. So that's what we need to find inverse. 5 times x minus 1 whole square plus 2. Then we will replace y with x and x as y and make y the subject. This is how we are finding the inverse, correct? So x is equal to 5 times x, this is y, right? So 5 times y minus 1 whole square plus 2. Then you have to make y the subject. That is our f inverse. Okay. So how we will write it? How we will make y the subject? I will add one more page here. So x is equal, this is our equation, 5 times y minus 1 whole square plus 2. So my aim is to make y the subject. You can bring this 2 to the side. X minus 2 is equal to 5 times y minus 1 whole square. X minus 2 over 5 is equal to y minus 1 whole square, because we need y, right? So take square root. The square root of x minus 2 divided by 5 is y minus 1. Therefore, y is, you can invite this 1 to this side. So what happens? 1 plus root of x minus 2 by 5. And that is what? F inverse of x. Okay. So that is the answer for this question. It's very simple.